Despite reporting better than expected earnings and raised guidance for the fiscal year, the stock is down. CIEN is down 11.4%. Okay, maybe high expectations may have been the reason for this weakness we are looking at right now. Okay, so let's see. So far, it has actually recovered. It has actually recovered. It's now at 304. Look at this. 291.82 was printed at some point. Okay, has recovered some of the losses it printed. Okay, yes, see, let's see. 50-day average is around 3.11 million shares, 1.74 million shares have crossed the table. We have close to 6 hours to the end of the trading session of today, the 5th of March. Okay, so let's see now. The stock is showing some amount of weakness within a longer term bullish trend. It's 200-day moving average, this one, which underscores its line trend is sloping bullishly upwards. The extrapolation is saying that this weakness may remain in place up till the 19th of March. After that, there might be an attempt to resume the uptrend. We have a recently formed upper projection of 329.11. So the algos think that it has a potential to rebound. The 10-day moving average is aligning with what we have on its extrapolation, saying that yes, indeed, that maybe weakness, lower prices may well continue to print, and maybe by the 19th of March, it may rise above its 10-day moving average. Yeah. So actually, we can actually say that technically it is actually consolidating within a longer term moving average. Sorry, within a longer term bullish trend. The 10-day moving average has declined with this weakness going on right now. I can just see that going on there. So um, at if I mean it's not it's consolidating because it's no longer leading the charge. It's the trend is it's well, we could still say it is leading the charge because it hasn't it's clearly above. It's still, well, we can say it's not consolidating yet. Technically, it hasn't. Yeah, I take back my words. It hasn't started consolidating yet, given that it's still above its 21-day moving average, which is the next moving average in it has. That's the following moving average. So it's not there's no moving average that is slower than it that is ahead of it. Okay, no moving average that is slower than it that is ahead of it. So structurally, it is still in an uptrend. It's still in an uptrend. But of course, that really doesn't matter. It's down now, and well, it may be providing a buying opportunity. Okay, so let's see whether we have any alignment on the moving averages. Let's have a look at the 21-day moving average. Let's see how it aligns with the 10-day moving average. Yeah, to some extent, we have some alignment. Yeah, to some extent. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we have on the other moving averages. Okay, the other moving averages are okay. They're not indicating that we're going to see anything, but they're all indicating that there's a chance that it may begin to decline. Yeah, it may begin to decline. So they're all extrapolating weakness. Okay, well, the 200-day moving average is saying that yeah, we might begin. It may go flat, not really weakness, but 40-day moving average surely extrapolating weakness going all the way towards the 16th of April. So maybe we can't rely on this extrapolation on this daily chart. Let's have a look at the weekly charts. Let's see. No extrapolations on it. We have, okay, we should have. Okay, here the weekly chart. We have you can see the 40 and the 200 week moving averages. They are all aligned. You can clearly see how they are tipping over. Almost in unison. Almost, yes. They are aligning very well. Let's have a look and see if the other moving averages are also doing so. If they're all doing so, then there's a chance that that is what we may well see. We may well see. Yeah. Yes. 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 So weakness is expected to come to begin to play out at some point. Yeah. You can see here there's a pivotal downward projection 141.12. So yeah, this is a moving a downward projection to watch. We just hope it doesn't print it, but it's 140.71. Yeah, the algos on this on we're using it just it can it has a knack for predicting downward projections. So we have to be on the lookout for that. We have to be on the lookout for that. That's a huge discount to current levels. Yeah, 140 is more than 50%. More than 50%. That would be totally destructive if that happens. But obviously, it may not happen in one fell swoop. One fell swoop. Yeah, we have here lower prices. The downtrend is expected to continue to play out all the way towards the 14th of September. But that's a long time to come. There's no guarantee that will be the case. So I think our best bet is what we have on this 4 hour chart, on this weekly chart. Yes, they're all aligning. They're all aligning, and yes, we also have an alignment as well. Okay, let's see here up to the 23rd of March. I think is that what we have? Yes, yes, up to the 23rd of March, we have pretty much the same alignment on the daily on the between the daily and the weekly chart in terms of extrapolation. So lower prices may continue to print. Lower prices may continue to print. Yeah, I'm afraid. Yeah, that is something that one should be really careful about. This dip is not okay. Has you see this? Okay, this is a pivotal projection. The algos initiated this on the 26th of February. Yes, and the stock was way up there. You can see that, and it has come to pass. It has come to pass. But there's no guarantee that the one we saw on the daily chart and the weekly chart is going to happen. But I'm just telling you, man. This you can clearly see that here. Some don't. Yeah, yeah, we can clearly see that here. Yeah, you can see this. It is this what this happened, and that's late in the future. It printed it. But not all of them have passed. Not all of them have come to pass. 224 hasn't happened since it was projected. I think maybe the farther off it is, it may not happen. But never say never. It has just surpassed that downward projection here. So yeah, it might present deep buying opportunities, trading opportunities. But I think caution is surely warranted. It seems. I just have to point out. Yeah. On this 4 hour chart, lower prices expected up till the end of today's trading session. Then after that, it might bounce and then contract again. So all in all, it's just saying a distributive contraction is expected going all the way towards, especially going all the way towards the 12th of March. Projections here are saying 303.20 on this 4 hour chart. Yeah. Okay, that's what's going on. Caution is warranted. Caution is warranted. Yeah, caution is warranted. Do we have an alignment here? It says this the bounce might kick in from the 23rd of March and might remain strong up till the 15th of April. Let's see, does it have any correlation on the weekly chart? 15th of April. Yes, we do. We have a correlation. We have an alignment, but after that, it's downhill. So maybe there's a window. There's a window between now and the middle of. Okay, yeah. For now, yes, weakness expected maybe from the 20th of March. It might have an opportunity might have come in to buy the dip. But I could be wrong. This also could be wrong as well. But the fact that we are seeing a lot of alignment on the weekly chart, we saw the all the moving averages saying that a decline is coming. Whenever it happens like that, there's a chance that that may well be what may happen. But of course, a lot of things are happening. You know, the whole narrative could change, may change, and the whole all of this will totally change. So these expectations are based on how how the market has been treating the order books. Yeah, how they've been treating the order books. Based on that, that is how those extrapolations have been derived. You know, they may change their patterns, and all of this will change as well. But let's see how all of this will pan out, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.